Want to save money by programming your Toyota key fob yourself? As of 2025, it's still possible for many models, but it's getting more complex. Newer Toyotas, 2023 plus, often require dealership tools due to enhanced security like rolling codes and biometric authentication. But older models, especially those from 2010 onwards, can often be programmed at home. You can even add remotes via the My Toyota app for some newer vehicles. However, be aware that DIY success rates are lower for the latest models due to digital keys and advanced anti-theft measures. Before you start, remember to always have your original working key available to avoid being locked out. For leased cars, be cautious, as programming may trigger alarms. To program a Toyota key fob, first get your vehicle into program mode by cycling the ignition. Turn the key from off to on without starting the engine, typically 5 times within 10 seconds. A common method requires sitting in the car with doors closed, inserting the key, and quickly turning the ignition on and off 5 times. Then press and hold the unlock button on the fob until the vehicle responds, such as doors locking and unlocking. To erase all existing remotes, enter program mode without programming any new fobs. Note that some vehicles post-2018 may need a TechStream OBD2 scanner for full access. Always consult your Toyota manual for the exact sequence for your model and year. Battery voltage is important, so use a multimeter to check the fob battery.